Assalamu alaikum and good afternoon, grade 1. How are you all doing? Good? That's very great. Yes, I'm also good, Alhamdulillah. Thank you and welcome to your computing class. In today's class, we will be starting with a new unit, and the unit name is multimedia funny faces. It's unit number 5. So in the last unit, what we have talked about in the last two units, basically we have talked about how we can work on internet. We have learned a lot about it. What is internet, what are different browsers, how we can search something, what are search engines, what are the search terms or the keywords that we should use to search something on the internet, right? Similarly, then we have talked about that what is the Scratch. We have worked on Scratch in detail. We have worked on it on practical days and similarly on theory days as well. What is Scratch? What are different sprites? How we can change the look? How we can make it move, etc., etc. And all of you have learned it very well in the last week's weekly assessment. All of you performed very well. That's excellent. But I would suggest you to please keep on revising that, keep on working on the Scratch. Don't just leave it, right? Because this will cause trouble for you. So just keep on working on the Scratch. Do practice it again and again so that you do not forget about it, right? And let me know if you have any confusion, any trouble at any point. You can just ask me that, ma'am, I have confusion over there, and I'll explain that to you again. Now, in today's class, we will be moving forward and we will learn about a new thing. Okay, so do you know that let's say if you have a picture of yours, you can change the look in the picture in the computer. So, how you can do that? It's very interesting, right? That you can change the look of yours in the picture. So, how can we do that? We will, or how we can draw lines or shapes in the computer? We will learn it together. So, for that, without wasting any time, I'm going to share the screen with you. Just wait for a moment. So I'll show you that how you can, let's say, search for something. Okay, so this is a random folder. You are not supposed to open this folder. Over here in the left corner, left bottom corner, you can see that over here type here to search. So you will just click on this, or there is this search sign. You will just click on this, and over here write paint. The spelling is PAINT, paint, and then press enter. Okay, now see the paint has opened. Let me share that again. See, the paint has opened. Now this white portion is basically the area in which we paint. Over here we have a lot of options. If we in today's class we will generally talk about what this is about. We will not draw anything, we will not learn anything, right? It's just to introduce you with what is paint. So it's basically a software, you can say, through which you can change the look of yours. You can draw pictures, you can draw shapes. We will learn together that how we can draw multiple shapes, how we can color them, how we can change their sizes, how we can put different borders around them, how we can give them a multimedia, sorry, a 3D effect, how we can change the brushes, etc., etc., right? So we will learn this all together. Now, starting from here, there is this file portion. Then we have this home. From there you will select anything. Oh, from here you can resize things, you can rotate the pictures. Over here you can erase it. There are different tools. Let's say this is pencil, this is coloring bucket, then we have this eraser, then we have this color picker, then we have this text editor, right? Then we have a huge variety of colors over here, whatever the color you want to, and we can edit these colors as well. See, over here we have a range of colors. If I zoom it a bit for you so that you can easily, so there are a lot of colors, right? And through this you can change the color range, you can change the color scheme. You have a lot of colors, right? Then we have this edit with paint 3D. We can give the pictures, or we can give the things a 3D print as well. Not only drawing and creating things, even if you have a previous picture, you can change that. You can change the look in it. You want to give it add a border around it, you can do that. Let's say you want to add the artificial hairs on your head, you can do that. You want to put lipstick on your face, you can do that. So we will learn all of these things together. Like you have different apps in your mobile phones through which or all of you have seen different types of cameras that we have in our mobile phones, like Retrica, we have Snapchat, etc., etc., right? Through that, what we can do basically, we can change the look of ours. Even if I'm not putting on any makeup, even if I'm not putting on any lipstick, when you open Snapchat, there are different filters in it, and they have the automatic lipstick, and the picture have the lipstick on my face, right? So, but at that, we are not supposed to do anything. The filter already had it. In the computer, we will be doing a little effort to do that. So I'll explain it to you that how we can do all of that together. Okay. So, what is your home assignment? That you will be taking a magazine. You can take a piece of newspaper, a magazine, a book, anything in which have multiple pictures. Some colorful pictures should be there, and then identify that which of the pictures are handmade or which of them are computer made. Right? Identify them. When you will look at the picture, you will get this idea that this is handmade and this is computer made, but that would be in printed form, in colored form, in 3D form, right? So identify that in the magazine, in a newspaper or anything, and then let me know that what are the difference. Do bring that newspaper or the magazine with you in tomorrow's class, and then we will discuss it together. Okay. So before ending the class, answer this question to me that which is people use computers to change the shapes and colors, right? So tell me which of the shape is yours favorite. If we talk about the different shapes that we have in mathematics, which of them is your favorite and which is your favorite color as well? Yes, your favorite shape and your favorite color. Sarah likes red. Well, Sarah, mine favorite is also red. Okay. Yes, Ahmed, which is your favorite color? It's black. Wonderful. Okay. Boys usually like black, right? Or white. Okay. So, yes, Alize, what about you? Oh, Alize love pink. Wonderful. Yes. Yes, Maha, which is your favorite? Green. Wonderful. Okay. So, when we will be making different pictures, we're making different shapes. You can color them according to your choice, according to your colors, and I'll give you the options. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Just go on, open your page on your computers and then search for different functions. Do not try doing that, because if you will change the setting of it, it will not work properly, but do get yourself introduced with it. Okay, so hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.